Hi, welcome to everyone. I hope all everyone good. Today topic: what is VPN? How is what type of VPN? So everyone, I am always talking virtual related content. You all guys know. So everyone, this is my stand and my hand is very custom. So I am now new my camera starts. So everyone, I hope this good video. What is VPN? So this is my drone camera shoot. So everyone, this is my drone camera shoot. I hope they enjoy. So what is VPN? How it the type? This very good camera. So that is Canon is of course. So now, how does a VPN work? Yes, I know. A VPN handles IP address by landing this network directly and through config and this VPN hotspots. So that's the same by hotspot my phone connected. So that is a very bad network. This is Buga internet provider. So not is Gali. This is always bad work. So everyone, this is now I am sleeping shot. So please look at this my shot. Is intelligent shot. This is I am is a shooting cameraman. So everyone, this how does a how this is drone shot now. So this angle camera this how does a VPN? So where is this connection, baby? So everyone, I hope this big platform. This is always good thinking. So I hope this best product. So how does a VPN work? Hey, yes, I know. You know. Don't know. Why no? So Rajon is very choke close. So a VPN hide your IP address by letting the network redirect through specially configured remote server run by VPN host. This is mean that is the serve online. So everyone, my sleeping need, but money need. কি করতাম সরি বাংলা বেড়ে যাচ্ছে খালি ভাই. So everyone, this video now end. I am always connection. So this virtual data related others content VPN connect. So again, new video coming soon. Let's now another video. So waiting this video. Goodbye, Tata everyone.